I'm going to explain about the functions, including some topics are functioning with functions, advantages of function, communication between functions. It includes just the 2 point, function declaration, function definition. What is function? Function is nothing but a collection of set of statements or block of a code. For example, in memory location we have a main function, and that message function actual program in that main function. If we want to add two number, that function will call from main function. It instructed jump to the message function after computer executing the set of statements in the main function. We can call function anywhere and call n number of times, need not write the function in the multiple number of times. This is the one advantage of the function using in that program. This picture is a simple understanding of function. It shortly gives us in functions we use semicolon, what happens, and without using the semicolon what happens only. First one, message of function, it gives the semicolon. It brings the control to the next message of function. That only in that braces to. Next, after the printf, it reaches the control back to next printf. Message of without semicolon, it going from the main of function, using semicolon after the print of, it reaches control to back return values. Okay, simply message of a semicolon gives us the return value. Main of functions without semicolon is calling the function. That's all. Next one is advantages of function. Some advantages of using function is reusabilities of code. Part of the code is what does can be conducted by the function name. From the function name we know that what does the function in that statement. Functioning with function. Using printf and scanf in that library file is already implemented in the standard file. Message of is the user defined function. Calling both library and the user defined functions has the same function performs here. Program executions always begin with the main of functions only. These some points are including in the functioning with the function. Communication between functions, and first one is function declaration. Function is declaring, usually before the main function, declaring the protocols. Protocols are declaration of A, B, C and sum. This function tells to accept the integer and return the integer. This is function declaration. Next one is function definition. For function definition, include the parts of return type, function name, argument. It is the protocol compiler knows that before calling the functions to be defined. Definitions of the function is only this part of sum. Declaring one variable, that variables assign the two variables to calculate sum and return that one same initialization variable. This parts are function definition.